and look for the birdies in my granny's garden. Come on, let's go. Shh. Quiet. Oh! 1, 2. Hello, birdie. Come and have a swim, little birdie. Wait. Hello, birdie. Oh, listen to me. 1 little bird, 2 little bird, 3 little birds. Oh! Splashing. Ooh, he had a nice swim. Feather's getting all wet.
The bird's washing.
Yeah, bird is washing. Splashy, splashy, splashy. Little birdie splash. And splash, and splash. He's flying away. He's gone away.
Oh! There's one birdie. Look at him. He's drinking. He's thirsty, little birdie.
Oh!
Wow, it sure is big.
Handsome. They flied away. Hello, birdie. 2 little dicky birds sitting on the wall. 1 named Peter, 1 named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Oh, and listen to my song.
It's a nice song, Amy.
That's it again. 2 little dicky birds sitting on the wall. 1 named Peter, 1 named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Little tiny bird. Bye-bye, birdie.